Wow, that's a pretty epic view, that's for sure. Wow. So now we have arrived here at Shangri-La. Can go and explore a bit these temples and shrines. Not sure what to expect, but look very pretty from afar. Hope we can also get some drone shots and walk around here a bit. And looking forward to the local dinner. It's gonna be a nice evening here and afternoon, that's for sure. Yeah, the sun is starting to set there, but we have this really beautiful background in the temple. We're gonna go for that dinner now, so I just walking around and enjoy these incredible views in the background now. And this crazy backgrounds. We're gonna save some energy and battery for that, so see you at the dinner. We get a lot of fantastic food here. We get some meat, we have potatoes, amazing stuff, a lot of veggies and some local bread here. Kind of a Tibetan hotspot, I think. Definitely haven't tried that before. Looking very nice, so let's try it out. Interesting, so you have your own little kind of hot pot here. You put your stuff inside, put in the cold meat here. And you have the chicken mushroom hot pot, looking very nice. Let's have a try. Warm. Yeah, I got some local drink here, let's try it. Oh, definitely alcohol. Tastes like baijiu. Let's try it again. Quite interesting shape. Almost looks like a stone or something. Definitely tastes healthy. A little bit sweet, but not too much. Very nice. To this old part of town now, so we're just gonna check in the hotel. Just walk around here in the evening, explore a bit, and then, of course, continue tomorrow. But I want to see the nice lighting in the old city and try stuff. Maybe buy some gifts before wrapping up the night. So see you after checking in the old city. Welcome to the video in Yubeng village. I'm on top of the mountain here. We just walked up here, woke up really early. We're waiting for a car to take us back down so we can actually go on a road trip. Today we're gonna go to Shangri-La. Just enjoying a bit of the sunset here. It was a bit of a late evening last night. The last night here, only slept like 4 hours, but no worries. The last days you're gonna make them count here. So we're gonna wait to be picked up, then go. So let's see what the day has in store. See you there. Yeah, so we're still waiting for the car, but it was quite lucky we were early because there's a lot of people queuing up here in the background now. We were the first here at like 6:50. Now it's like 8:15. The car is coming here at 9. But it's good to be early. You know, the early bird catches the worm. In this case, the cars. There's a lot of people here queuing up. Hope we can eat this place very soon. Fantastic, so finally it's time to get off here. We got our car.
The big one?
Let's put the stuff inside, yes. Ready to leave this hiking place here. It's been a good few days, but now it's time to move on. Let's jump into the car.
Hello!
Hello! Finally, let's go. Yes, we're ready with this Yubeng. Woohoo, let's go! Yes! A lot of action this morning. Fantastic, so after that pretty crazy car ride with really amazing views in the background and pretty scary roads, we're finally back down here. Very nice to see the landscapes. We'll see if we can find some snacks before we get going to Shangri-La, so we'll see. Hopefully start to get going very soon. Yeah, so now we're back in the city of Chin here on the way to Shangri-La. We had a bit of an unfortunate event here earlier. Our driver, I think, had a little bit too much fun last night. Got pulled over by the police on the way actually, so we have to change to a new driver. So we're slightly late, but safety first. Hopefully we're gonna have some food soon. Maybe have a restroom break as well. We just passed by and stayed here actually a few days ago, so we'll see what the day has in store. Hopefully we can still see some stuff. But yeah, you never know. There's a lot of unexpected things going on this trip, but you know, that's life. But at least we're safe and sound, so no problem. Nice, after a lot of driving, we are back here as mentioned. Gonna get some snacks here, and just mentioned, or I just noticed this enormous onion here. That is a huge onion, but I'm not gonna get that. That is interesting. Gotta get some good road snacks, maybe some apples here, but we're gonna have lunch soon. Let's pick a bunch. Great. getting some fresh fruit here. Let's get a few of these as well, fresh. Yeah, we're on the way to lunch now, but they also had some other interesting stuff. We have like roasted duck in the background. There's a lot of kind of vegetables. A lot of cool stuff here. But yeah, nice time to go and have lunch. Fantastic, so we found this restaurant with a lot of dried meat hanging over here. You can order a bit and then go up and eat. Very nice and local stuff. I'm sure it's gonna be good. Let's see what comes out. That's fantastic, a lot of good food. Nice. Got a lot of good stuff here. Got the minced beef here, nice. A lot of fantastic tofu here. Okay, let's try the food then.
Maybe it looks a bit too clean.
This looks crazy good. I have the beef, I think, or yak, and the mint. A lot of good chilies here. Fantastic. A nice minced beef here. Really good. Let's try the tofu. Nice mapo tofu here. A lot of good protein. Nice. Let's see what's more coming in. Nice. We got some potatoes here. We got some great veggies. Some more meat. That is looking amazing. Take a look at this crazy goodness. That is looking amazing. Some garlic and some chili. Beef. It's any good. We have a lot of them. Potatoes here. Look really tasty. Also need some good veggies. A lot of oil, but also good. Really tasty. Nice. After that fantastic lunch, once again, it's time to get going here. Just looking at this cool landscape in the background. We're gonna go driving now for like 2 or 3 hours. We'll see. Hopefully, it's gonna be some nice scenery along the way, and then see some temples, maybe some drone shots. Who knows? But I'll bring you guys along and see you a bit later. So now, after a lot of driving, we came to this nice lake here. We have a lot of Tibetan local houses. We're also gonna have actually Tibetan dinner as compensation for that mess up earlier with the driver. So looking forward to that. I'm just gonna take a look a bit and fly, and then we'll see where we arrive at Shangri-La, only like 20 kilometers from here, so it's gonna be very nice. So now we have arrived here in Shangri-La. Gonna go and explore a bit these temples and shrines. Not sure what to expect, but look very pretty from afar. Hope we can also get some drone shots and walk around here a bit. And looking forward to the local dinner. It's gonna be a nice evening here in the afternoon, that's for sure. Also have everyone here with the local clothes walking on, even the tourists, I think. Pretty interesting. Yeah, so apparently we're at the Tenling Monastery. We're gonna jump on the bus here. Then I'm gonna take us over there, jump on and see what's going on.
So,
about the local house.
Where the monks live.
Wow, that's a pretty epic view, that's for sure. Wow, wow, we just arrived in a crazy view here. And passed by people are living in these small houses next to it. That is insane. You can't take any videos or photos inside apparently, but gonna walk around and explore a bit. Not so much people, but some honking in the background from the cars. Wow, let's go explore. Unfortunately, it seems you're not allowed to actually fly the drone around here, which was a little bit sad because it's really beautiful, but we're gonna walk inside and of course enjoy it anyway. Fantastic lighting here, really beautiful. Yeah, let's go in and explore. Yeah, it's a bit windy in the background, but it's really beautiful. You can see this Tibetan temple, and you have people with this old traditional clothes walking by. A lot of gold, really, really beautiful. Yeah, you can't take video inside there, but just gonna walk around here and enjoy it anyhow. Really cool, and the sun is all setting, so perfect end today, that's for sure. Yeah, the sun is starting to set there, but we have this really beautiful background in the temple. We're gonna go for that dinner now, so just walking around and enjoy these incredible views in the background now. And this crazy backgrounds. We're gonna save some energy and battery for that, so see you at the dinner. Interesting. So I think now we got to the place we're gonna have the food here, and the sun is setting in a bit of a local area here. Let's see what's on offer. Had to get some scarf on here. Interesting. Gotta follow the local culture. Interesting, cool building here. A lot of wooden structures. I really like it. Okay, let's go inside and check it out. Wow, really cool environment here. Very local style. Let's sit down. Got a lot of fantastic food here. We get some meat, we have potatoes, amazing stuff, a lot of veggies and some local bread here. Kind of a Tibetan hotspot, I think. Definitely haven't tried that before. Looking very nice, so let's try it out. Interesting, so you have your own little kind of hot pot here. You put your stuff inside, put in the cold meat here. grab some good tofu. We have some nice potatoes inside. Also some veggies. Ooh, a lot of good stuff. So you're supposed to take this in your hand and then drink the soup. Let's try that. Okay, take it a bit like this in your hand. You eat this and then you have the soup here. Let's try it. Not too bad actually. Showing you how it's done here. Interesting. Here we have the final product. Yeah, I definitely tried this last year. Quite interesting. Not bad. Let's try it again. Quite interesting shape. Almost looks like a stone or something. Definitely it's healthy. A little bit sweet, but not too much. Very nice. Then, as mentioned, you can drink the soup after here. Very, very nice. Tasty combo. Very good.
Something local you have to try.
Okay, let's try this interesting drink here. Looks interesting. Yeah, I got some local drink here. Let's try it. Oh, definitely alcohol. Tastes like baijiu or vodka or something. Not too bad. That's not what I thought. Good. Tastes a bit like vodka or alcohol. Yeah, could be worse. And we have the chicken mushroom hot pot looking very nice. Let's have a try. Warm. A bit different flavor, a bit more like lamb or goat. I'm not sure actually. Pork. A bit different flavor. Nice, but I think I prefer beef. Also want to try a bit of this local bread here. I don't normally eat bread, but always fun to try. Very fluffy. Not my favorite, but nice. Let's try the potato here. Very hot and steamy. Looking nice. Very crunchy. Let's try with some sauce. Okay, let's try to dip it. I heard the sauce tastes weird, but let's try. It's a little bit darker. Vinegar soy-ish. Variable. Interesting. I think I prefer it without. Get some healthy stuff here with some tofu and some lettuce. Oh, really hot, but good for you. Okay, let's try the meat. Actually, I have no clue what kind of meat it is, but it's steaming hot. Let's try it. A bit unclear. Maybe pork? I'm not sure. If you prefer other type of meat, let's try with the sauce. A bit more spicy. Goes better with the meat. Here we have some sort of ball. Not sure. Let's put it in the hot pot. In case since I've been talking so much about beef, I gotta try these beef balls. Interesting. Let's try. Not too bad. Better than the other ones. Interesting. You can put in some more spices to get some more flavor. Let's grab one. Okay, let's put in the spices here. Whoop. Let's make it spicy. Nice. Make it a bit more red. Fantastic. Ooh, we have a bit of a beef ball that broke here. Let's try a bit more spicy one. Definitely a bit more flavorful. And we have, for example, a lot of great tofu here as well. Good and spicy. Definitely more in line with my preferences. Sorry for speaking with my mouth open, but just give it a try. Too excited.
洁白的云朵，壮观的山川河流，看着了阿嬷手中的针线，针到食指，这个就是无名指。
Cheers.
菲娜女士，那么。
We just arrived after that show that was quite interesting. Maybe not my favorite so far, but anyhow interesting to see. To this old part of town now. So just gonna check in the hotel, just walk around here in the evening, explore a bit, and then of course continue tomorrow. But I want to see the nice lighting in the old city and try stuff. Maybe buy some gifts before wrapping up the night. So see you after checking in the old city. Okay, so we checked in and we're ready to go explore. It's pretty cool interior here in the hotel. I really love these Tibetan colors everywhere, like green, blue, red, white, and all the flags. Really cozy. But yeah, let's go for a bit of an evening walk. It's really relaxing and cozy and walking around here, buying some gifts and snacks here. We actually walked past a cafe and we saw the guy that we met in the bar yesterday here in another city up when we were hiking. Pretty crazy. The world is pretty small. So just strolling around the streets here, a lot of interesting bars and restaurants and cozy environments. Just gonna take a bit of a walk here and digest that big dinner a bit, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully go to bed quite early, and then tomorrow go and explore a bit here again. We'll see. A lot of interesting stuff here, a lot of jewelry. We'll see if we find something interesting around here. Wow, cool, some fireworks. You never know what you're gonna see. Really cool with a bit of an evening exploration here. You also see in the background here a lot of the live music going on. Just walking around enjoying the evening. Hello! Really pretty nights here. Always enjoy watching these temples and exploring around. Very soothing feeling, especially in the evening. Very unusual to come in the evening here. Usually come in the daytime, but so many nice cool things in the background here. You can get lost really easily walking around here. Let's see what's around the corner. Yeah, I think it's time to call an evening here. I got some small gifts here for colleagues and some other goodies to bring back here. Tomorrow we're gonna continue exploring, but I'm gonna end the video here. So if you want to see more of this kind of stuff, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.